But the big news that's coming in is on the battleground of Tamil Nadu, where the big breaking news is coming just now of a statement from the RSS ideologue S. Gurumurthy ahead of Tamil Nadu Assembly polls later this year. RSS ideologue Gurumurthy, who runs now the Tughlaq magazine, has stated that Sashikala, the friend of the late Jayalalitha, who is in a jail at the moment in Bengaluru, will have to be involved in the elections if the DMK is to be defeated. The comments are politically significant and hint at a possible alliance now between the AIADMK and also AMMK, a party led by Sashikala's nephew TTV Dinakaran. But significantly, these comments are coming at an event where the BJP leadership, including JP Nadda, were present. And here was Gurumurthy calling for Sashikala, against whom there are serious corruption charges, for her to be brought in as part of a wider alliance. Remember, Sashikala is likely to be released later this month from prison. She's been serving a jail sentence for the last 4 years for corruption charges. I'm joined by Akshaya Nath, our correspondent there. Akshaya, it appears that Mr. Gurumurthy is trying to play the role of a bridge builder between Sashikala, the AIADMK and the BJP ahead of the crucial Tamil Nadu elections.
Rajdeep, we need to remember that Gurumurthy has been a person who has been involved in many political decisions that have happened in the state of Tamil Nadu, be it OPS going on the Dharma Yuddha against Sashikala or bridging of the EPS faction along with the OPS faction. Various steps have been taken by Gurumurthy, and OPS himself has in the past stated that Gurumurthy has advised him on these factors. And right now we need to remember, ahead of the 2021 polls and just a speculation rife that on January 27 Sashikala might be released, the factor that he has spoken at the Tughlaq magazine's event is very, very important. On the day when the AIADMK had its general council meeting, AMK's general secretary, who's TTV Dinakaran and Sashikala's nephew, he was in Delhi and had met many a senior BJP leadership, is what our sources close to us have been telling. So RSS ideologue Gurumurthy's this statement is very indicative that maybe the AIADMK party, which has been split into various factions, especially the AMMK and ADMK, might join back hands one together. And also, only 2 days back, Gokula Indra, senior leader of the AIADMK, did in fact speak in favor of Sashikala, stating that she was a close aide of Jayalalitha and that everybody respects her.
So Sashikala could be making, so what you are saying is Sashikala could be making some kind of a political comeback. Listen in to what Gurumurthy had to say.
ஆனால் தமிழ்நாட்டில் ஒரு பெரிய கருத்து இடைவெளி இருக்கிறது. எப்படி இருக்கின்றது என்றால், தமிழ் சமுதாயத்துக்கும் தமிழ் அரசியலுக்கும் பெரிய இடைவெளி இருக்கிறது. தமிழகத்தினுடைய ஆன்மாவுக்கும் தமிழகத்தினுடைய அரசியல் கட்சிகளுக்கும் பெரிய ஒரு இடைவெளி இருக்கிறது. அந்த இடைவெளியை தேசிய கட்சிகள் மாத்திரம்தான் அந்த இடைவெளியை நிரப்ப முடியும். நிச்சயமாக காங்கிரஸால் இன்றைக்கு செய்ய முடியாது. ஏனென்றால் காங்கிரஸ் கிட்டத்தட்ட பாதி திமுகவாகிவிட்டது. தேசிய எண்ணம் உள்ள ஒரு கட்சி போலவே அதை பார்த்தா தெரியவில்லை. ஏனென்றால் அவர்கள் பேசுகிற பேச்சுகள், அவர்கள் கொள்கைகள், அவர்கள் பழகுகிற விதம் எல்லாமே திமுகவை நம்பி இருக்கிற மாதிரி தோன்றுகிறது.
So the BJP could well be drawing in Sashikala, using Gurumurthy as the bridge builder between the various AIADMK factions. Remember, Tamil Nadu is the one state which has remained a bridge too far for the BJP. It's also a state which the Congress is eyeing because of the various state elections scheduled in April, May